welcome back to Hobby Farm Homestead. Today I'm gonna show you a little thing here that it's an experiment. I've never tried it before, but I read about putting your banana peels in water for your pepper and tomato plants, like fertilizer. So I'm gonna try it on like 3 or 4 different plants, and then we'll monitor, see how well, if anything, helps the plants. So let's go ahead and get this stuff poured on the plants, and then I'll come back in a week or so and see if it makes any difference. Okay, so I put it on this. This is a cherry tomato plant. So I put it on this one, and I put them on all 3 of my bell pepper plants. And we'll see if it makes makes any difference. I got a few little bell peppers on there now. I don't know what's going on. Got a couple bad leaves here. That's good. We finally got some rain, so the garden's doing pretty good. Beans, they're coming on pretty good. So the beans will probably be ready to harvest here in probably, I don't know, another week and a half. So hopefully we get some good ones. But I have been seeing the Japanese beetles out here, so I'm gonna have to put some 7 dust on them. And the cucumber plants are just climbing like crazy, and I had 1 cucumber on it. I already pulled it off and ate it, but if I get as many cucumbers as I have flowers, we will be in good shape. But plants are just huge. I mean, they're climbing big time. Let's look in here, see if we can find any cucumbers. I don't see anything right now, but like I said, that was a baby one. Now in here's where they'd be, because these are what flowered first. They're doing good. I mean, I can't ask for much. There's a couple of them right there, see them? Not ready just yet, but they will be. They will be. And then the zucchini, I already picked one off there. There's another one will be ready here soon, right there. And the squash plant, I don't know, it just doesn't look too good. Like I said, I left my sprinkler on all day when it was super hot, and it took a toll on that plant for sure. But this itty bitty cabbage plant, it's done. Yeah, the cabbage is pretty firm, so it's ready to go. It's ready to be picked. I'll probably cut that tonight. Let's see, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 good heads, so that'll be in good shape. And then the peppers are coming on pretty good. So those will be ready here soon. I don't know what kind of weeds these are, but they're nasty. But yeah, all the plants have 1 or 2 peppers on them, so we're in good shape. This one's got a pretty good pepper.
That one is probably ready to be picked. I want to hold off a little bit on it. That one's full of them. Look at that. It's all kinds of them. We got a few little tomatoes over here. No tomatoes on the cherry tomato plants though. These, I think these are like early girls, maybe. They're coming on. But yeah, so we'll see if that does anything. The banana tea fertilizer, if it makes any difference. So then this garden, that plant over there is just huge. And here's another zucchini plant. Planted them late though. Carrots are right here. And they're doing pretty good. They're doing real good. Jalapenos are doing good. So that's the garden update. And like I said, we got chickens peeps the other day. Showed a little film of that. And we got those in the other garage. Now, that garage this fall, when it calms down heat wise, we're going to start dismantling that and tear it down. Because next year I think we're going to put a patio and a swimming pool there. These are the 4 round bales I got off the last field that I did as far as hay. So those will go to the cows. And that's pretty good hay. Let's go check out the cows and the turkeys and see where they're at and what they're doing. I know the turkeys they're growing pretty good. It's almost time for them to go outside. Yeah, they're doing good. They're getting big. Definitely getting big. Now 2 of those will go to the fair, but it won't be a full fair. It's just a junior fair. The rest of the fairs, they've canceled it, but they're at least allowing the kids to bring their project animals in and letting the buyers, only buyers, come in and, you know, bid on the animals. But we got some cows out there. There's the one that likes, she just likes to lay and eat. I don't know, not really sure. Oh, she's getting up. But flies are real bad. They're doing good. They're doing good. They drink a lot of water. They eat a lot of hay. And those guys out there, they're just laying back down. Not really sure. It's a lazy cow. I think that cow was in the pasture quite a bit because it doesn't really eat the grain. It does sometimes, but it likes eating hay and it'll go out and nibble on the grass. The other guys are getting big. So we got another, let's see, it's July, so we have August, September, October. So we got 3.5 months still with these guys. So they should get fairly large by then. Black one, maybe not. Maybe that's the one we'll just keep for ourselves, being it's a smaller one. So, all right, well, let's go up here and I got a brisket in the smoker. I didn't want to film this process because it's the first time I ever did a brisket in a smoker, so I didn't want to screw it up. But so far it looks good. It's been on 7 hours. Let's go check that out. April. Let's check this out. Oh, do they see it? Whew. It looks good. Sunlight on it. I don't know if you guys can see that or not. There we go. It looks good. So, like I said, it's been on for a good 7.5 hours, something like that. Trying to keep it around 225. Once it gets up to 190 degrees internal temperature, that should be done. So we'll check that out. Maybe I'll film a little bit of it once I take it out and cut it up. But Just want to give you guys a little bit of update. Haven't been filming a whole lot. I am going to smoke like 2 or 3 chickens here in the next day or two. So I'll film that because I've done one of those already, so I'm pretty familiar with what's going on with it. And then we also are going on a camping trip, going canoeing down a river down south from us, and that'll be one big video on that. So those are a couple things that are coming up, but I'll catch you guys on the next video.